Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Nickolas, and Nickolas is helping me show arm strengthening exercises. We have a rope. The thicker the rope, the better. I wish this one was a little bit thicker, but this is the one we have today. And I have it tied off to a 35-pound weight. The heavier the weight, the harder this activity is. Can you show me how you can pull that hand over hand and pull that to us? Nicely done. Perfect, man. So this is a simple way to work on arm strengthening. A lot of people in their home, because they have somebody in the family who's a weightlifter, has heavy weights, or you can just tie it to anything that's heavy. Make sure you have it on a floor that it's not going to damage the floor when the weight comes across. And I will often start with lower weights and then work my way up higher and higher to heavier weights. Are you wanting to do it again? All right, let's move this back over here. Okay, you got this?
Yep.
All right, one more time for the road. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Pull it. And what I love, as this is a strengthening exercise for him, is I don't need to teach him how to hand over hand pull. He already knows how to do that. Nice job. With other kids, I might have to help him hand over hand figure out how to do the pulling.
That's like tug-of-war.
Like it's kind of like tug-of-war, you're right. But this is a piece of cake for him. He knows how to play tug-of-war. He's played it. So it's a fun way to work on arm strengthening. Again, it's the pulling muscles, so you're getting lats and rhomboids and biceps and finger flexion. It helps strengthen the upper body. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.